a little Joe, a little Bo, a Big Sam. Hey, this right here, what? For everybody that's proud of their city. Yeah, you proud of your neighborhood? Yeah. Let's go. What's that click that you going up east side? Or what's that click that you represent west side? Or what's that click that you going up north side? Or what's that click that you represent south side?
The endocrine system is an integrated system of small organs that involve the release of extracellular signaling molecules known as hormones. The hormones were a key part of our growth. The following information can be found in your textbook starting on page 997 in section 39.1.
So hot in her, so hot
Hormones are chemicals that travel through the bloodstream and affect the activities of other cells. Hormones do this by binding to specific chemical receptors on those cells, and those cells are called target cells. If said cell does not have receptors, or the receptors do not respond to a particular hormone, the hormone has zero effect. A gland is an organ that produces and releases a substance or secretion. There are two types of glands involved in the endocrine system, exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine glands release their secretions through tube-like structures called ducts. Unlike the exocrine glands, endocrine glands release their secretions directly into the bloodstream. Aaron will go into further detail on the glands later in the video. Hormones fall into two general groups, steroid hormones and non-steroid hormones. Steroid hormones are produced from a lipid called cholesterol. Non-steroid hormones include proteins, small peptides, and modified amino acids. Because they are lipids, steroid hormones can cross cell membranes easily, passing directly into the cytoplasm and even into the nuclei of target cells. Non-steroid hormones generally cannot pass through the cell membrane of their target cells.
Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill.
All cells have been shown to produce a small amounts of hormone-like substances called prostaglandins, except for red blood cells. Prostaglandins get their name from a gland in the male reproductive system, the prostate, in which they were first discovered. One group of prostaglandins causes a sensation of pain in most headaches. Aspirin helps to stop the pain of a headache because it inhibits the synthesis of these prostaglandins. Like most systems of the body, the endocrine system is regulated by feedback mechanisms that function to maintain homeostasis. One mechanism is controlling the metabolism, and another is maintaining water balance.
Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is a bean-sized structure that dangles on a slender stalk of tissue at the base of the skull. It's divided into two parts, the anterior and the posterior pituitaries. The pituitary gland secretes 9 hormones that directly regulate many body functions and controls the actions of several other endocrine glands.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
The hypothalamus is the part of the brain above and attached to the posterior pituitary. It controls the secretions of the pituitary gland. The 4 parathyroid glands are found on the back surface of the thyroid gland. Hormones from the thyroid and the parathyroid glands maintain homeostasis in blood calcium levels.
Convict.
The thyroid gland is located at the base of the neck and wraps around the upper part of the trachea. The thyroid gland has the major role in regulating the body's metabolism.
The adrenal glands are two pyramid-shaped structures that sit on top of the kidneys, one gland on each kidney as shown in the picture on your screen. The adrenal glands help the body prepare for and deal with stress. Insulin and glucagon released from the pancreas help to keep the level of glucose in the. When the pancreas produces too little insulin, a condition known as diabetes mellitus occurs. In diabetes mellitus, the amount of glucose in the blood may rise so high that the kidneys actually excrete glucose in the urine.
Well now, we call this the act of mating, but...
The gonads are the body's reproductive glands. The gonads serve two important functions: the production of gametes and the secretion of sex hormones. The female gonads, the ovaries, produce eggs. The male gonads, the testes, produce sperm.
Oh my God.